My name is Michael. I live in Clovis, California. I was looking to get a whole house fan, and a neighbor down the street referred me to Tyson Energy. It's an air conditioning issue, and yes, I found that turning the system on in the morning helps cool the complex, and then I don't have to really get the air going until somewhere between 2 and 3 in the afternoon. Save on my bill. It was a non-brainer, I guess. The two guys that came in were in here maybe an hour, if that. I guess they know what they're doing, so it was pretty quick and efficient. And I had actually 2 condos done back to back by the same crew. Yes, I would.